Recently, we had the opportunity to help our client streamline their complex event management operations using Monday.com. With over 200 global events managed annually across 7 different business units, their team needed a more efficient, scalable solution, and that's where CloudCache Consulting stepped in. Our clients faced a few challenges, which were our client's events team was handling all planning and coordination through spreadsheets, which made tracking budgets, managing passes, and organizing event categories extremely difficult. They also struggled with budget reallocations, lack of real time visibility, and couldn't connect event efforts with sales leads efficiently. To top it off, they needed a centralized tool that could integrate with HubSpot, offer guest user access for vendors, and provide post event feedback collection, all without complicating their existing workflows. The solutions we provided were as follows. CloudCache Consulting customized a Monday.com workspace tailored to their unique needs. We built dedicated boards for budget tracking, pass management, and event categorization. Dashboards were created for a quick view of upcoming, completed, and dropped events. We automated budget reallocations, enabling real time tracking and visibility across different units and regions. Our team also integrated Monday.com with HubSpot, ensuring all event leads and ROI data were synced without meeting third party tools. Post event feedback forms were automated, making it easier for client to measure impact. All of this was delivered under a competitive pricing implementation plan with optional ongoing support and strict data security protocols in place. At CloudCache Consulting, we don't just implement tools, we craft solutions that scale with your businesses. If you're looking to streamline your event or project management, contact us today. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you from CloudCache Consulting.